Hi, welcome to our Hmong Made Simple site. This is our interest page where you can sign up to receive updates on our progress and learn about where our program is offered. In order to gain access, there is a subscription fee. For nonprofit organizations, the cost is $1,500. The cost for schools in Merced County is $2,000. For those who are beta testers that sign up to test our product and provide feedback, the cost is $2,500, and the price for all other schools is $5,000. The subscription allows up to 10 users. For each additional user, there will be a cost of $100 extra per user. Now, let's get into the different units of Hmong Made Simple. We will start with Unit 1. In this section, you will see lessons that teach common phrases. Let's look at common phrases for emotions. This lesson can also be taught in the Green Hmong dialect.
Today, we will be learning about 10 common phrases using our emotions. How are you doing? Con nhỏ li ya. Are you doing well?
After completing the video portion of the lesson, there are worksheets that students can use to reinforce their learning. The next unit is children's songs in Hmong. These are some of the children's songs that we have. Here is one of the songs called the Vowel Song. Along with videos of the songs, there are lesson plan documents that teachers can use to review teaching goals and objectives. In Unit 3, Storytelling and Reading, we have stories like Lu Nu Thie Lu Li, The Sun and the Moon. Moving on to Unit 4, which is Culture, we can see a video that teaches about the Hmong New Year.
Oh, almost forgot. One other thing you can do. You can walk around and check out all the vendors that sells Hmong clothes and jewelries. There are lots of people selling things.
Again, along with each video, there is a lesson plan that is provided for teachers. Our next unit is Unit 5, Arts and Dance, where we can find lessons on how to create Hmong-themed art pieces or Hmong dance. Specifically, in Arts and Crafts, we have a lesson on how to make a Hmong hat. The last unit that we have is Unit 6, Hmong Games. Let's take a look at the game Hmong Simon Says.
Hello friends, today we'll be playing Simon Says. Okay, Simon Says, touch your cheeks. Okay. Now.
We hope this video was helpful in showing you what Hmong Made Simple has to offer to your schools and organizations. If you have any questions, please reach out to Hmong Culture Camp's founder, Bosavan Lor, at hmongculturecamp@gmail.com. Visit our Hmong Made Simple website at hmongmadesimple.com or connect with us on Facebook at Hmong Culture Camps. Thank you for listening, and we hope to see you soon. Shin Ji Dua.